This is completely made out of gingerbread. This is then the Contemporary Hotel. My sister and I decided we'd do a little resort hopping before our reservation dinner at Ohana at the Polynesian. So we stopped first at the Contemporary. They are all edible, plus their castle is completely edible. That is crazy.
Oh hey, she complimented our ears.
Oh, thank you.
She's the one that made her.
Oh, I am, yes. Yes.
I love the ones that you were supporting as well.
Yeah, thank you very much. There's a hidden Mickey right there. Right there. Maybe you can see it. I don't know if you can see it better. Right behind his antler. Where? Oh, yeah, right there. Oh, in the snow? And then there's one right there.
There's one in the snow.
And then there's one in the snow.
right
in
in
there.
front of Kristoff.
There they are, the 3 hidden Mickeys. Hey, good job to us. Alright, let's go look at stuff. We're on the monorail headed to Polynesian. We were going to visit Grand Floridian, but we ran out of time. But I do hope to go visit that because I really want to see the big gingerbread house. I've never seen it before in person, so I hope we get to do that. Now we're at the Polynesian. We didn't have time to stop at the Grand Floridian. But look how beautiful this place is. I literally want to stay here more than any other resort here. This is the place I want to stay. Hi.
You have not. Awesome. Well, welcome to Ohana. Thank you. Can anyone tell me what the word Ohana means?
Family.
Yeah, awesome. Happy family. Here we treat everyone like our family. Everyone's cousins, and then all of our food is served to family style. We start right away here with this pineapple coconut welcome bread.
Oh.
And I refer to family style eating more like a lazy man's buffet because you guys didn't have to get up for anything.
Great.
Straight ahead here is our fire pit. Sirloin steak, chicken, and shrimp are all freshly roasted.
Ooh.
Good stuff, right?
Did you see Dad perk up? She said that's what a sirloin steak, blah blah blah, and then Dad goes.
Thank you. Fell out of my
Yeah, he goes like this. He turns around and goes. There's 3 meals.
Great. And our cousin Tiffany's going to be taking care of you today. She'll be over just a moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
What? Okay.
Sorry.
She's right behind us.
Love the hair. Forevermore, my cool evil. You got hair like a very famous Hawaiian surfer. His name was Buttons. And he had hair just like yours. Just like a Hawaiian surfer. So cute. You guys enjoy your dinner, kid.
You too.
Here tonight. I mean, you guys are making the place look good just by sitting there and eating salad. Holiday to each and every one of you. You know, we're just
Here's my drink. Yeah, buddy. I got the magic. I don't remember what I got.
All of you have legally come forward. Thank you so much. Sorry, I'm trying to turn up my sound. Okay, you guys can move forward. Thank you for being patient. If you need any extra flower lace, just give us a number.
Thank you.
See you. Oh, is it your birthday?
No, I graduated.
Oh, graduation. You get extra. You get 3 for good luck. Love it.
I need 3 more for my family.
And you guys are on the same table, right?
Yes.
Okay, great. Good to see. Congratulations.
3 for good luck. We got laid.
3 for good luck.
I'm trying to rush out of these.
Lay Dad. Lay Brooke. Lay Mom. Now we all look very festive.
We're all Hawaiian.
We're watching the water parade from the Polynesian beach.
You can hear the music from Magic Kingdom.
Yep. Okay, so I am off on my own, going back to Magic Kingdom. It's open till 3 a.m. tonight. Mission number 1, 2, and 3. Get a picture and autograph of Cinderella and Ariel, and then take a picture with Princess Elena. I don't really know who she is. She's new. I know she's like on Kids Junior or Disney Junior. So I'm gonna do that just because she's new, she's Disney, she counts. Then I'm gonna ride rides. Oh, I got to see the fireworks. Disney is doing all their New Year's Eve stuff tonight as well, so I'm gonna catch those fireworks because they'll be different than the normal fireworks when we go back on the 1st. So, and then I'm gonna ride lots of rides because the lines are going to be little to nothing. I'm super excited, so I'll catch you guys at Magic Kingdom. That makes you larger than life.
A long time ago, in a place called Neverland, there lived a sparkling spirit named Tinkerbell. Legend has it that to this day she still flies over this magical land of fantasy. And the story is told for children of all ages that if you wish hard enough and believe strong enough, Tinkerbell will soar high above the Magic Kingdom and light our fantasy in the sky.
Not quite yet, pal, but it won't be long now. Let's see, yep, just a few more minutes till we start the countdown.